Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosinaphilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like, share i-video. So as we went back to ke uBongani Fassie bafethu ngike ngenza i-video last time kwakuthi uBongani Fassie ubeshayiwe ntontoni kube sesportini wafika lapho uBongani waxabana nomunye ubhuti obelwa nentombi yake wathi uyangenela uBongani bamshaya ne blue eye nje. I think I posted the video about uBongani Fassie bafethu oyindodana kaMama uBrenda Fassie and all that drama yakhe kuthiwa he's getting out of hand endaweni yakhe ahlala kuyo lapha i-apartment yakhe 4 ways kwathiwa ke sebemkhiyele lapho uBongani ngoba akakhokhi i-rent, so usqueeze kamngane wakhe nengane zakhe ezimbili ntontoni. I was like, where is umama wengane angathatha abantwana, because this is not right, man. Abavunyele yini abantwana ukuthi baye kuma wabo than ukuthi bahlale nobaba, because angazi uyaphuza uyabhema noma uthini bafethu. I do not know what is happening, but the stories are out there ngoBongani Fassie. They are just so shameful. Le yona indodana kaMama uBrenda Fassie yona yodwa ke mntakabawo, but this is just so unacceptable. But ke estorini sanamhlanje akumayelana nalo ushaya ama blue eye and all that, kumayelana ke nale drama kade yenza manje ama video la ngoba ngana akagqokile bafethu faka isikhindi nje angazi ukuthi ngizivumelekile yini ukuthi ngiwafake lawo ma video lawo lapha. Uma ungabona ngingasawafaka is because angeke ngikwazi ukuwafaka bafethu. Sometimes you should community guidelines, ngoba akagqokile unqondo ufaka isikhindi kuphela angazi uzobiza ngepaint uzobiza ngani. Mina ngizothi isikhindi ke bafethu nje ibhluke nje lincane la ngaphansi, uyamemeza uyascreama uyashouta kubizwa amaphoyisa kwabiza ke I think laba abagade ama complex mhlawumbe khona lapho ngase 4 ways whatever. I think is babizwa ngamani a security personnel something like that bafethu busy bazama ukulawula uBongani Fassie. He's just going wild, uyascream ukwambona umuntu nje obhemile nje uyascreama nje sazi uscreama wenze njani nje. He's just akagqokile lesikhathi uyazula uyabhoda ufunani So estorini ke bakhuluma ngoMama Brenda Fassie bathi Brenda Fassie turning in her grave after Bongani's wild night. Uma bekhuluma kulesi story ukuthi uBongani fike namantombazana awu5 lapha endlini yakhe, kusho ukuthi after squeezing from kangani wakhe wabuyela kuBongani eflatini lakhe mhlambe kwakuthiwa vele zikhona imali ezizayo ezingenayo, suke sazi yena noma iphuphonya imali uyazi ukuthi hayi iyeze inye ekama something like that bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi naye he's a musician, he's a producer as well, kodwa ke behavior yakhe bafethu izindaba zakhe azichazi for indodana kaMama Brenda Fassie. Instead of uphakamisa igama lama wakho and this ungabona ngafakile ama video kaBongani Fassie simply because angeke ngikwazi ukuwafaka. Number 1 akaqhokile, number 2 uyascream ushaya izinto laphana, so I do not know ukuthi ngakwazi ukuthi ngiwaposte, but if I can ngizokhetha lawa ngcono bese ngiyawalahlela, right? So ke kuthiwa the late pop star Brenda Fassie must be turning in her grave as her only child singer and producer uBongani Fassie's life seems to be spiraling off the rails. Yesterday, the police and housing estate security officers were called in to call Bongani Fassie to order as he was making noise disturbing other tenants at the estate in 4 Ways Johannesburg. Kuthiwa ke mayibanga umsindo kanjalo ukhuluma nje igama likama wakhe lokuthi akuphenduse uma wakhe ajikeze emhlabeni njani mntakabawo. Ungahamba uyobhema usuzubiza uma wakho mawubhemile ayikho yonke lento. It is alleged that the wild scene started after uBongani brought 5 ladies to his rented apartment from a nightclub. Uze nabo from a nightclub labo sisaba u5 bonke ni1 but he refused to let them go. Akasafuni bahambe ke mntakabawo. The security personnel who first responded to the chaos told uZimoji ukuthi uBongani needs help before the things could get out of hand. Young ladies wanted to go back home, but uBongani refused to release them because he wanted one of them. Ushuthi befuna one yena kodwa bebezebe ngu5 for that. He said they should stay, but the girls refused to stay over because they had to go to work phela namhlanje ngomvulo ke mntakabawo. That's when he started to get aggressive engafuni bahambe. The security personnel said, according to a source who stays at the estate where the musician pays 17,000 rands rent monthly, Bongani started pushing the women around and pulling them off ngama wigs. Things got wild there. He was yelling at them and threatening them with violence while he was name dropping his late mother's name, Brenda Fassie. Kuthiwa he was stripped ke mntakabawo njengoba ngisho ukuthi akagqokile. Angazi nalawo ma video ngifuna ukuwaposta ngizopostela kanjani. Ngizokhetha ngcono ngizowafaka in the beginning of i video ngoba hayi akagqokile lo muntu. According to the source, uBongani kept on telling the ladies that they will become victims of GBV. The source said he was also pushing and pulling his friends, abangani bakhe, who could only watch as he became more and more violent, adding that the friends later intervened as Bongani was getting out of hand. One of the ladies who stays opposite him had to request a ride for lamantombazana lawo wabizela ke iUber ke mdakabawo. While the security staff was trying to calm him down. As if that was not enough, uBongani started breaking the bottles and taking off his clothes. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ku-video akagqokile. Kuma-video was a few clips, right? Chasing neighbors around and more security guards were called. Ushuthi ukuthi ma umakhelwane ukuthi uyafika uBongani akugijimisa uzogijima strong. Yo, angeke. More security guards were called. Kushuthi bekunama security kwabizwa amanye ke mdakababa, including amaphoyisa. We have never seen such rage. He demanded for his mom to be brought back to earth. Wayibona phi wena leyo ukuthi umuntu umeshonile she can be brought back to earth? Sizoyenza kanjani? Uyovuswa kanjani umama lalele khona? According to another source, Bongani's kids, uBrenda noBongani. Remember abantwana bakaBongani? Omunye nguBrenda, omunye nguBongani. Kuthiwa they were screaming, abantwana crying as they watched in agony their father going wild. Yila mina engithi khona uphuma wezingane thatha abantwana bakho because something will happen to your children. Ngoba vele ayikho right lento ukuthi abantwana bahlale noBongani. uBongani ngumuntu nje oyibhemela oyidakelwayo. Cabanga nje uthatha abantwana bakho banikeze ubaba ofana noBongani. Usayiqutha nabo abantwana kamngani wakhe abuyabuyele nabendlini abuyafaka into kuthiwa kusuke kungabantu bayangena bayaphuma asazi ngabesilisa ngabesifazane ngama in and out angaqeda kamntaka lapho unezingane ezimbili. Kuthiwa abantwana they always watch idrama nakonke ukudakwa nakonke ukulwa yonke into. The kids are always watching uzofica bekhala nje bescreama yonke. Just imagine, where is the mother? Where is the mother of the children? Hayi ngeke. The kids were watching and crying. He was telling us we can't help him if we cannot bring his mother back to earth. Can you imagine? According to another source, they are worried about the kids who they say are exposed to all sorts of things, including violence. Everyone at the estate knows that those kids do not go to school. There are always parties and dodgy people coming in and out of this house. We are scared for the kids. His family members must do something before something worse happens, pleaded the informant. According to the source, the police could not charge him for public indecency. They told us to speak to him while he is sober. Kumele bahlale phansi naye mase sober izokhonakala yini bafethu ngoba yo abantwana bafethu like uphuma wengane uBongani wasathelana ingane kumawazo unless naye mhlambe into efanayo noBongani kodwa mangabe mhlambe uma wengane okwazi uthatha ingane zakhe or family they have to take abantwana because this is not safe for the kids, eh? And futhi ngathi bancane abantwana, how old are they? Uma sevalele sekhiyeli lapha eflatini yakhe ku-apartment yakhe engakwazi ukukhokha uyahamba eyocupha kabangane nalezo ngane azifundi azithini zihleli zibukuyise nje odakwa imihla namalanga. Hayi bafethu lento ayikho right. But anyways impilo zabo bafethu kuthi impilo ngeyakho uphuma kuwe ukuthi uyayiphuza noma uyayibhema ke nangu uBongani ke unfortunately impilo yabantwana yona ke uma ezo scream ethi akubuyisa uma wakhe back ngubani ozokwazi ukuletha uBrenda Fassie back like really? Hi, angazi ishivo la comment section mntaba kaBongani mntaka. Thank you so much ukuthi ubuke video, like, subscribe, share bese siyabonana kuyilandelayo. Bye.